In this video, I will show you how to turn off the front red standby light that is being displayed over here on your LG Smart TV once it is turned off. If you find this light annoying, then this video is for you. So basically, once your LG Smart TV is turned on and you are on the home of your LG Smart TV, the first thing you want to do is to go over to the settings of your LG Smart TV. So scroll over to the top over here, click on the settings icon. Now from here, you just want to scroll down until you get to all settings over here, click on it, and then you want to scroll down again until you get to general, and then hover horizontally to the right hand side, then scroll down again until you get to system over here, click on system, and then from system you just want to scroll down until you get to additional settings over here, click on it, and from here you just want to go ahead and turn off standby lights over here. And once this option is turned off on your LG Smart TV, whenever the TV is off, you're not going to see the red standby light that is usually displayed over here. So I'll go ahead and turn off my TV now so you see. And as you can see, my LG Smart TV is currently turned off and the red standby light is no longer displaying. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.